Hi, welcome to this short video about Microsoft Excel, Natural Language Questions and Explanations template. There will be a link to this web page in the video description below, which will allow you to read through all of the text on this page if that's of interest to you. It will also allow you to download the demonstration version, which I'm going to give you a quick tour of today. To get the demo version on your computer, you will need Excel Desktop on Windows. You would click right here, and I've already downloaded it, so I can just bring that over. You will also need to unzip the file, but I've already done that. Go ahead and run the unzipped Excel file. Let me show you how that box comes up and what it's for. Before you can do Ask AI, you need to set an API key. And in the web page that I showed you earlier, there'll be a link to how to get an API key from OpenAI. And of course, you can always search YouTube for more information about API keys if you're unfamiliar with them and how they work. So you do need to go to Set API Key. I have already got my copy, so I'm going to paste it. And hit OK. The API key is saved to set up. Great. So as you can see, we've got a default question in here, and there is plenty of test data, so you can get an idea of how things work. You can also modify the test data, and you can add to it. But when you close the database, or the spreadsheet in this case, because it is a demo, the changes won't save. When you get the purchased version, then of course all your data changes and additions will be saved. Okay, so now we've got the question, and we're going to Ask API. And so what it's doing right now is it's kind of building a query. It's looking at the data in the Data tab, and it's returning the answer to you. It's not you sending your data to AI to do this. It's doing all the analysis inside the Excel spreadsheet. But the AI is building the query based on the question that you typed in. So you're not limited to the example questions. You can type your questions in here. You can see you get a response. So this is pretty neat. And of course, you can implement this into your own database with your own data. And when you purchase this, you get everything you would have if you created it yourself. So all the code is there for you to look at, examine, and also for you to verify that your data isn't going to the AI. All right. Well, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you found this useful, and I hope this is a beneficial tool for you going forward. Have a great day.